This is Bart, and Bart is a messy guy. But we like organizing so much that we asked him to organize all his stuff. For 2 weeks, Bart will lock himself in his house and try to get some order in the chaos.
So we've got to walk, see if we can organize the outside world. Let's go, my man.
Volle Park, baby. It's a good looking tree. What's this leaf doing here? Feels very satisfying. Okay guys, male ducks here, white ducks to the front. Yes, you, that's good. And that one, no guys, you're totally getting it wrong. Pigeons will get out, not pigeon. Guys, pay attention. Male ducks, come here. I want the seagulls, all the way, no. It can't work like this.
Join us in our quest to get organized and get creative. Use the hashtag #ArtOfOrganizing and stay tuned on Bynder.com/art.
Oh. Johnny, why are you looking? You can help us.